Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome, and if you are a subscriber, welcome back. I appreciate you, and I pray that you all are doing well and your hair are amazing. Today I want to share with you a few things that you can do to help you with your natural hair journey. If you are just starting with your natural hair journey, it's important that you are mentally ready for people to actually criticize you and think that they know what best for your hair. What you have to remember is that your hair is yours. Everybody is unique. Everybody have a different hair texture. Myself, I have about like three different hair texture on my head. I know my hair the best, so I am the master of my hair. I don't let anybody tell me what I should or should not do with my hair. And it's also important to keep the comment to a minimum, and you do not have to answer every comment about your hair in person or online. You don't owe anybody any explanations about your hair. Your hair is your hair. If you feel like you want to respond, you can respond, but you do not have to try to show and try to defend your hair texture or your hair length to anybody. If anybody, someone want to accuse you of wearing, being fake, or your hair being fake, just let it be. You do not have to respond to their negative comment. One of the things that sometimes we forget that um, usually someone will say something. It has nothing to do with you. It's what's going on with them. They tend to project their fears or their insecurity on you or on other people, and sometimes it come across that they are like they saying things to you, but it's just like they are revealing what they are insecure about. For example, somebody who's wearing a wig and trying to make comment about your natural hair, you wearing your natural hair out, and then or trying to tell you what to do with your natural hair. It's a reflect on how they feel about their hair, them being negative and thinking that your hair is not pretty enough to wear out. It is just a reflection of how they actually feel internally about themselves and about their own hair. I have someone say to me, I was doing a live, and then she said that my hair is too nappy to be showing it out. And I didn't reply to the message because it's like ignorance to me. I don't really tolerate or feed into the negativity, because someone, a person that look like me, probably have hair like mine, saying that to me, it's just to tell you that how she's feeling about herself, she's feeling about her hair. So I guarantee you that person's never wear their own hair out. They probably like hiding it and protective style, or hiding it under a wig, so nobody really know what their own hair look like. But that's not my goal. My goal is to wear my hair out as much as I can, because I get to a point in life where I am comfortable with myself. I am comfortable with wearing the hair that God has blessed me with. And I'm not saying I am better than anyone else. I'm not saying that I know more about hair, but for the past 6 years, I've been learning so much about my hair, about myself, and I get to a point where I don't feel the need that to defend my hair or to defend my choices to anyone else, because I get to the point where I am comfortable on my own skin. I am comfortable with the hair that God blessed me with. I am comfortable with the way I look. I do not need to put a bunch of makeup on my face to feel pretty. I feel pretty just the way my hair is. And it didn't, it's not something that happened overnight. It did take a while. All my 20s, and I'll say like half of my 30s, I was the one who wants to please other people, the one who wants to feel like I belong. So I will do things just so I can show that I am part of a group, and then try to, do different things with my hair, with my skin, try to, be somebody that I am not. But I get to a point where now I am so comfortable with myself. I do not care like how other people are seeing my hair. What are they saying? I love my hair. I love my skin. It's a work in progress. I'm still working on my skin. I'm still working on how product. I don't need to wear makeup. And I know it's not for everybody. And I understand that. And I do appreciate the fact that I live in an environment now. I surrender myself with people that less judgmental, and people that also feel comfortable in their own skin. Because if you are working on yourself, you are at a point where you don't need to please other people. You need to surround in yourself, be around people that also are in the same mindset. You need to be around people also that feels good about their own skin. They're not trying to follow the next trend or follow friends that really they have no business of being friends with them. So that's where I am in life right now. This hair that I'm doing, this hair is about what, 5 days old, about like, yeah, day 4. I think this is day 4. So of that twist out, I love it. I love the fact that in the morning I don't have to spend a lot of time in my hair or in my face trying to do makeup to go to work. I just love the fact that I can just be me and be the natural myself, the beauty, the natural beauty that I am. So, yeah, I wanted to thank you guys for giving me a space where I can share my thought. And I'm going to start a series on this channel where I talk about basically everything while I do my hair. You guys let me know what you think. I want to share my story. I do have my a story to tell, and everybody have a story. You have a story, I have a story, and I just would like to share it with you. And thank you for giving me a space to do that, YouTube, and also you for listening and supporting. If you're still watching to this end, please subscribe, like this video, so I know you like those type of video. I can continue to make videos like this. I wanted to thank you for your time, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.